I'ma head out then.
How's it going, guys? Back with another video. Today we're doing the Ciare SPL subwoofer. I got this plugged up to the ramps 12K to do this testing, and we want to do another testing because I want to put a little bit bigger speaker wire on there. I don't know how much difference it's gonna make, but I just did something just for the testing or whatnot. Of course, we got a box built for the ZV. I don't know. One of the ZVX, I think it's ZV. Not ZVX. ZV. I don't know what it is, but anyway, I had to figure out what it is. But anyway, this that 12-inch subwoofer. I did a unboxing of the subwoofer. So I finally getting the video up. So we're gonna get this thing playing, and we're gonna see if we can get this thing to moving. So y'all ain't gonna hear no words. Of course, y'all hear a little bit of words coming out because the amp is like a full bridge amp, I guess, and that may be the reason why the words are coming out, but we're gonna do what we can do. Let's give it a little volume right quick. Turn it down right quick. Let me get my temp gun out. We're gonna see what it reads, but it don't feel hot as far as I know. That's a thick dust cap as well, so. I'm back. Let me get going. I got 82.4. We're gonna put this thing in the other truck. We're gonna put it in the trunk and see what it do. Let's get it playing again. probably about 3 or 4 minutes now. Like I said, this dust cap is so thick. It seems like it ain't even heating up or nothing like that, but I'm not trying to blow it. We're trying to get it moving a little bit. We changed the song. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, check out Ciare SPL. I'm gonna leave the links down below for y'all to better check them out. I'm just trying to find a song that I can make it move a little bit more. Like I said, I'm trying not to blow this up because I have did some tests and we sent it to the moon, but I guess they wanted me to do that. But we had it on the software, but we ain't gonna do that this time. We're gonna try to take it easy on the sub and see if we can get, see if we can make it heat up just a little bit. But to be honest with you, thick as that cone, thick as that dust cap is, it probably won't even do it. Be sure to like, subscribe. We got to heat up a little bit. 86.3. I don't know, maybe we ain't putting enough power to it or nothing to heat it up. I don't know, but I don't smell anything. So we're gonna keep on going. I'll tell you what, we're gonna put this thing in the trunk. Y'all hold on, we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. We got it in the trunk. The MDF is heavy, boy. It got a lot of weight on the MDF, but everything works out. So we're gonna go ahead and do the testing in this trunk. Let's see what it does. Get this trunk closed off and we're gonna see what it does from there, guys. All right, let's get going, guys. open this up and check this out right quick and see if we're heating up. I'll be right back. All right, guys. All right, so I'm trying to see if we can get some kind of trunk rattle. I know some of y'all like that trunk rattle, so I'm trying to see if it'll do some of that. But maybe you need more than one. Like I said, I only have it on the what is it? Taramp 12K. So it may not be enough power. I don't know, but I figured that'd be enough for one. But you know, I have to rise and all that. But maybe I don't know. But you may need more than one, because I know it's pretty. It take a lot to kind of, you know, make a Suburban do anything when, you know, one sub or whatnot. But I guess all depend on the sub and, you know, what you're going for or whatnot. But I am used to larger subs, so I'm not really for sure. But anyway, I'm not getting no heating up from the sub, anything like that. You know, it seems like it's holding up. So I don't know, man. It's like a pretty decent sub to me. You know, I'm not sure the price right now. Maybe you can search online. I'll leave a link down below. You can go to the website and you can see and what they cost or whatnot. And I think they sell them at Parts Express. I do have a link down below for that as well. But let's see if we can get some kind of trunk moving or whatnot, because I know y'all like to see that sometimes. Some people like that. So I'm gonna see if I can make it do that. Another guy, you got a little moving then. All right, be sure to like, subscribe. I guess that's all I was gonna do, just for one sub, but you know, it did pretty good. It's holding up, so you know, I take the abuse. So be sure to like, subscribe. I'm gonna leave a link down below for you can go and check these subs out. Be sure to share the video. Be sure to check out Ciare speakers, and appreciate y'all for tuning in. See y'all back on the next one. Well, sound like to me, I did lose the sub, I guess. I move in a little closer. I did lose the sub. So, another one bite the dust, guys. You know, I guess you might want to use low power or whatnot on this. I got this wire, the wire 1 ohm. That's a 2 ohm sub. So, you know, 1 ohm, I'm not actually seeing the 12,000 watts, because it's 12,000 watts at half ohm. But I'm wired at 1 ohm, and after rise, ain't no telling what I'm getting. But I actually lost the sub. You know, it's not a bad sub, but you know, I guess you want to use this sub on low power. I think he already told me that. But you know, I do it for y'all so what y'all can see. You know, the limit you can push it to, maybe 1,500 watts or 2,000 watts. You might want to stay around in there. You know, maybe on a burp or something, you might want to go with a lot of. You know, you might can get away with that. But you know, that's definitely, you know, the deal on this. So maybe I can recon this thing and we'll be back playing again. But y'all be sure to like and subscribe, share the video. Be sure to check out Ciare SPL. So we did lose it. I'm gonna let y'all hear. Alright guys, we lost that one. So like I say, y'all be sure to like and subscribe. Happen to the best of us. We're gonna do it again. Y'all see me back on the next one. Check out Ciare SPL. Ciare, it just sometimes I think it's just ciare.com or whatnot, but I'll leave a link down below. See y'all back on the next one. Alright guys. You can hear the coil rubbing in there, sound like to me. So yeah, it's definitely gone, guys. Y'all be sure to like and subscribe. See y'all back on the next one.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.